Welcome to my bathroom. We're gonna do a little 2-for-1 video today. I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup while I tell you things that make me feel more whimsical. I'm totally using whimsical because it's a buzzword right now, and if I want people to click this video, etc, etc, I'm gonna use little buzzwords like that. Honestly, if you were asking me, I would say it's things that make me feel more chic. I did this video where I said things that I think make other people chic or look chic to me, and when I'm watching it, I'm like, I wouldn't even do half these things because I don't necessarily think they would make me feel any better. Maybe they would make me like come across cooler or whatever, and at the end of the day I don't care about that. I care about how I can make myself feel better. So these are things that make me feel more whimsy or more chic in my everyday life, where if somebody else watched me do these things, they probably wouldn't think twice about it, but they have to do with fashion, lifestyle, all that kind of stuff. So let's do it. And before we get into this video, I did want to say thank you so much to Athena Club. They fit perfectly into this list, and we'll talk about them in a little bit. So let's start with makeup. I've been using foundation, which is crazy, but I'm obsessed with this brand for makeup, and I just pump like 2 big pumps on my hand and put it all over, and it's like just what I need for, I wouldn't call it necessarily like everyday makeup. I would call it more like trying makeup. My everyday makeup is no makeup, so when I do put makeup on, it's a little bit extra. The first thing I do that makes me feel more chic day to day, or more whimsy, whatever the heck you want to call the buzzword of the year, is making my coffee in a mocha pot. This is like such an old lady Italian thing to do. I guess it's like a European thing. It's not just Italian, but I do think of like my nonna and being in Italy and the little mocha pot on the stove. I have an espresso, and when I don't want to think about it, I'll stick in a pod and do it that way. But when I just want to feel a little bit more classy, like in my life together, I will take the time to take my coffee beans, grind them, and put them in the mocha pot. And even if like the Nespresso tastes just as good, in my opinion, the mocha pot tastes better after that like little bit of work. And sometimes waking up first thing in the morning with a toddler, you know, keep to yourself for a second. Mama's gonna go make a coffee. She's very good about letting me go and make my coffee. Sometimes I want to take the extra like 5 minutes and make it that way, and just have that like task I'm doing, focusing on it. I don't know, just taking some time to do the little mundane things, because I know as soon as that coffee's made, it's mama, come sit down and be the evil witch. Mama, come play babies with me. Mama, you do this, or I'll, you know. So I really like making my coffee in the morning. This looks like SHIT in this lighting on this camera, but I swear in real life, like, it looks good. Next product is this Typology concealer. This has like quickly become my favorite. Maybe it hasn't been that quickly, but it feels quickly because I was using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer for so long that switching anything felt like a big deal. But I like this one a lot more. I have very wrinkly, creasy under eyes, so I'm pretty picky. Pretty picky with all my products, kinda. I just don't switch it up, and I don't try new things a lot. Even when stuff is sent to me, I'm very hesitant. Okay, next thing on the list is having a physical calendar, physical notes. Especially since switching to a flip phone, I've been using a physical calendar so much more. We've always had like a family calendar on the fridge that Brandon and I will write like stuff, you know, the other one needs to see down. And I really like doing that and just like having it physical. This blush is archival, it's Merit. In the shade Archival. And now I have like a little day planner I have in my purse, and taking that out of the doctor's office to like write in the next appointment date, I think it makes me feel cute. And like, you know, other people might be looking at it and be like, what the heck is she doing? And I'm not even thinking about that, but I like taking my little day planner out. I like looking at it that way instead of having to like open up my phone and look at it like that. This blush is like my perfect shade. Sometimes I don't blend it well, and that's like a me problem. This lighting, I'm gonna have to show like lighting after of what it looks like, because I swear it looks better in person. I'm looking really washed out. We're having a bit of a change in camera quality and position. The lighting was just pissing me off so bad because it didn't look like that. Like, this feels a little bit more true to the lighting, but I do have like a face filter on where it's making my face smooth. Let me turn that off. Now my skin isn't blurred. The next thing I wanted to say was smelling good, and this one fits so perfectly. First of all, I made sure to include these products in this video because I knew this was on my list regardless. I wanted to say thank you so much to Athena Club for sponsoring this video. But I went to the OBGYN and I was literally like, I smell so bad. Like, I think there's something physically wrong with me. I thought I was like rotting from the inside out. And Brandon was with me, so the doctor was like, have you noticed like a change in her smell? And he was like, no. And he wasn't just being nice, because I would want him, he would have been serious about it. But the doctor said that I probably just have a newfound appreciation for my smell. And Brandon and I keep saying that to each other now because we think it's so funny. And it was just like such an awesome way to put it, that I just have a newfound appreciation. So when I want to smell good now, it is nothing to do with what anybody else thinks, because I'm pretty sure everybody else thought I smelled fine. But I could smell myself. So now, smelling myself, I want to smell good. So I have these products. These are both in the Salted Sunset smell from Athena Club, like I said. So it's caramel, coconut milk, pistachio. It is sweet. It is exactly what I need right now, because it's a strong scent. Not like, I'm sensitive to smell in the sense that I'll get like a headache and stuff like that, but this doesn't do that. And I put it all over my arms, and then I even put it like on my chest and neck, because I want to smell it. I don't care what anybody else thinks, but I will say I've been wearing this and I've never worn a scented lotion. Maybe not never, but I've never worn a scented lotion that smelled this good. And I just leave it on the bathroom counter, and Brandon has been using it as well because I smelled it on him. I was like, are you using my lotion? And he was like, yeah, it's nice. And he was like, it's really moisturizing. And I was like, it is. But my main thing is it smells amazing. So I don't even feel like I need to put on the perfume after that, but if I feel like during the day I'm not smelling this on myself enough, and I'm sure it's like still sticking to other people, but again, I want it for me, I will come in the bathroom and give myself a spritz or two of the body mist. And this is a hair and body mist, but I haven't really used it on my hair too much. I've mostly just used it on my body because that's what I feel like stinks. But oh my god, this couldn't have come at a more perfect time. I seriously needed it so bad. So if you guys want to try out Athena Club and the salted caramel scent or any of their other scents, I've heard that you can like pair two and create your own signature scent. Use the link in the description box, and at checkout use the code LANEY for 15% off your first purchase. Thank you again to Athena Club for sponsoring this video. I have a newfound appreciation for scents. Okay, next thing, I've got my laptop down here, that's why I keep looking. Okay, something that makes me, what is my next step in my makeup? I got distracted. I did blush. Like, I don't have that many steps. Oh, this is what you guys want to see. The lip combo. Starting with NYX lip liner in Espresso. These are so cheap, so I literally have them all over my house in every single purse. And my hands are so lotiony, I can't open it. Next thing, when I want to feel a little bit more cute and put together, is carrying a shoulder bag instead of a crossbody bag. Like, that is so one that like nobody else pays attention to, nobody else cares about. But it's something that when I have a crossbody bag, I just feel like I'm like, I don't know, I just don't feel as cutesy. I don't feel as like my shoulder bag cutie fashion girl. So if I want to feel good for me, I'm wearing a little shoulder bag. Are they as practical? No, but sometimes I need that. Like these little things, my sciatica right now, so horrible that first of all, like my tummy, you can tell that I'm getting ready to pop. I have to wear sneakers in the house now. These are Saucony. I always want to say Saucony because I need some cushion. Okay, wait, next thing. My next list item. First, we're going to use this MPH, the same as the foundation brand, and this is in the shade Love Bite. The tip is like so messed up. But this is the lip combo you guys always ask about. It's looking really dark, but I feel like as you wear it, it lightens up. My lips are really dry, so it's looking patchy. Girl. Okay, next thing is no sneakers. There is just something like that makes me feel so much cuter when I'm wearing a ballet flat, a loafer, even like a leather boot. I feel like just like a leather shoe makes me feel so much cuter. And again, it's like maybe sticks out to other people, but when I see other people wearing sneakers, like doing the wrong shoe theory, I always think that looks so chic. But there's something about like looking down at my feet and seeing I'm wearing sneakers, I'm like, I'm doing it for my sciatica. I'm doing it for something that doesn't feel as like fun and flirty, and when I look down and I'm wearing like a cute little dainty shoe, it makes me feel better. I can't wait to wear my shoes again and the sciatica to evaporate immediately. Next thing, so funny because like look at my hair again. First we're gonna do the next lip step, which is Eat 'em in, this one's Bishop, is that the how you say it? Bishop Glaze, B-I-S-S-A-P, but I also love it in Boba Bounce. I use both interchangeably, honestly. Like, it's looking so patched. That's the lip combo though. It's like pretty extensive what it is, but I always get questions. Doing my bangs makes me feel so much better than this hairstyle. I feel like because when I do my bangs, I just know that like I put in a little bit more effort, or it's a hair wash day, or like I had my hair washed that day. I always feel cuter, prettier, just more like myself when my bangs are done. Again, like I feel like a lot of people like my hair better without bangs, but I don't. I feel like it's too jarring. Next thing are just like plain hoops or studs. I have just like really thin gold hoops on right now, and I feel like bigger thin hoops are my favorite. I feel like they just look so classic and dainty, and then same with just like a little diamond stud or a pearl stud. They make me feel better. Next mascara is this Jones Road one. I like it. I stopped using lash serum and I feel like it made me so UGLY, but I was just kind of like sick, feeling like I had to use that all the time and like was stuck with it. I don't know, there's just like a lot of things where I'd rather be all natural even if it means I'm a little bit less pretty. Like take it off my plate in that sense. Not even the sense of like what I'm putting on my body being natural. Just less things for me to worry about or think about or care about. Next thing, not being on my phone while waiting in public. Now this comes so easy to me because I have a flip phone, and like I don't even like taking my flip phone out because I feel like people, well actually I know people stare at me when I take my flip phone out, and I kind of like to lay low. So just standing there and being aware of my surroundings or interacting with my daughter, like if she's there, but it's most of the time when I'm alone. I think of this, I feel good about myself. Is anybody noticing? No, everybody else is on their phone, but I feel good and that's all that matters. And the last thing is grocery shopping. When I'm grocery shopping, my cart is just full of Whole Foods. Like I just have milk, fruits, veggies, cheese, eggs. I'm like, wow, look at me. I'm the picture of health, and I know how to make things and use ingredients and not, I don't know, just heat up something from the frozen food aisle. This doesn't happen often. And again, this is something where like I know nobody else is looking at it, but it makes me feel good, even though I know like hot munchies are sitting in my cupboard at home always. It makes me feel just cutesy. I don't even know what the right word is. I feel like it just makes me feel, period, for all these things. I hope they don't sound like weird, but those are things that day to day help me feel a little bit better, and especially when I'm feeling like I can barely walk right now. I can't, none of my clothes are fitting anymore. I've already gained over 60 pounds with this pregnancy, and like gaining weight, I don't care, but gaining this much weight in that little amount of time, it does something to your body, and pregnancy does something to your body, and the hormones does something to you, like obviously. So it's all just a lot. So I've been feeling extra super crappy. Not even about how I look, but how I feel. I have to lay down all the time. I can't get up. I can't breathe. I can't walk. I can't play like I used to. Like I can't walk to the park with my daughter right now because it hurts and it's taking a toll on me. So these are little things that help me feel better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Athena Club if you want a new appreciation for your smell. I should stop saying that. Remember to check out Athena Club if you want to smell good, and check out those products. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.